till now whatever we did, now few different types of questions in which you need to remember logic behind that one. So many logics are there. From here onwards, each problem you have to by heart the logic. Okay. In this one, x square and x power 4 is there. So if we take t also, we will get 4x cube, which is not there in the numerator. So what we have to do when we find such question, you have to remember the logic. Divide both the numerator and denominator by x square. See, for all questions there is no need of by adding logic. If you take t to the denominator, you will get the answer. But here, if you find such questions, you have to remember that point. After some time, you will get that logic indirectly. I am dividing each value, whatever given to us, by x square. Now this becomes 1 plus 1 by x square divided by x square plus 1 by x square. Now the thing which you need to remember, if you find plus sign here, you can take x minus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square is equals to x minus 1 by x whole square. Here minus 2ab, so plus 2 you should take. In place of x square plus 1 by x square, we can take x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. If you find minus in the numerator, that time x plus 1 by x minus 2 you should consider. Now we have integral 1 plus 1 by x square dx divided by x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. Now we can take t as bracket part in the denominator. 1 dt is equals to 1 minus 1 by x is plus 1 by x square dx. So this is 1 dt divided by t square plus 2. Plus 2 can be taken as root 2 whole square. 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So this is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Now this is 1 by root 2 tan inverse t value. Again we will substitute it. This is alpha. Here one logic you need to remember once again. Whenever you find cos square x, that time if we take t also in denominator, it doesn't work out. So what we'll do, we'll divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. So here 1 by cos square x dx divided by cos square x by cos square x. This is sin 2x. 2 sin x cos x divided by cos square x. So what is the logic here in this one? We have to, whenever you find cos square x, divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x and simplify by using trigonometry methods. 1 by cos square x becomes secant square x. Cos square by cos square is 1. Here single cos cancelled, 2 tan x. Now because tan x we can take as t, but constants are there, I am taking total thing as t. dt is equals to 2 into secant square x dx. Here we don't find 2, so multiply and divide by 2. 1 by 2 integral 1 dt divided by t. So 1 by 2 into log mod t plus c. So 1 by 2 into log modulus t 1 plus 2 tan x plus c. See, whatever questions we are doing today are most important questions, because in every question you have to remember something or the other. Here what I will do, first I will split this one, 2 sin x into cos x. Then this one as it is, don't square this one, don't expand this. T is equals to a plus b cos x. So whatever is dt, then a is 0, b cos is minus sin x, because in derivative cos is minus sin. Now here sin x is there, but minus b is not there with that one. And if we have taken t, cos x also you can find from this one. See, t is equals to a plus b cos x. If I take a here, this becomes t minus a is b cos x. T minus a, this b comes to the denominator is cos x. Previously we have not done in substitution any such thing. That's why this one is most important. What I have taken t for the bracket part and t is simplified in the rough column again. T minus a by b is cos x. Now minus b is not there. So what I will do for this one? 2 is outside, minus b by minus b sin x into cos x into dx divided by a plus b cos x whole square. Now this value minus 2 by b integral. This minus b sin x is minus b sin x dx is 1 dt. What is the remaining part here? Cos x. What is cos x we got in the rough column? T minus a by b. Whole divided by what is the value? T square. Now this b comes here, minus 2 by b square, t minus a divided by t square. Now minus 2 by b square, t is given, t square is given to both the values. Next, minus 2 by b square into, this is 1 by t, a into t power minus 2 into dt. Now minus 2 by b square integral 1 by t dt plus 2 by b square a outside t power minus 2 dt. This minus 2 by b square integral to first one, minus 2 by b square integral to second one. Minus 2 by b square, this is log modulus t. 2a by b square, t power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Minus 2 by b square log modulus t. Minus plus into minus is minus, a plus b cos x power minus 1 plus c. So what is there in the question to remember? Most important question we have. A plus b cos x we have taken as t. After some simplification we have equated cos x also. Then 1 dt, similarly what we used to do for t, that we have to do. Then by 2 minus 2 by b, whatever value t minus a by b. This one dx is, cos x is t minus a by b. Remaining thing is dt divided by t square. t is secant x plus tan x, dt is equals to tan x derivative is secant square x into dx. Secant x common, tan x plus secant x into dx. Now we find secant x dx, we don't find this value. So secant x plus tan x whole power 3. This is 2, this is 3, multiplying and dividing. Now integral 1 dt divided by t cube, t power minus 3 into dt, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Secant x plus tan x power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. बट मैं आपको क्या बोलूं? फॉर्मूले याद करो मैं जल्दी जल्दी, और कोई इधर ला गया फौरी चले आओ. We find cos square x, so divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. 1 by cos square x, a square sin square x by cos square x, b square cos square x by cos square x. 1 by cos square x is secant square x, a square into tan square x, b square. Now because square is there, so we can't consider the whole thing as t, just take tan x as t. If square will not there, we can consider the whole thing as t. 1 dt is equal to secant square x dx. So this will be 1 dt divided by a square t square plus b square. Because coefficient is there, that you can consider common, t square plus b square by a square. 1 by a square outside, 1 dt divided by t square plus b by a whole square. 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. 1 a cancelled, 1 by ab tan inverse a into t. What is the value of t we have? Tan x. This is one of the most important question we have. What you need to remember is multiply and divide by sine b minus a. How should we know? Subtract these two. X minus a minus x minus b. X minus a minus x plus b. So this is plus b minus a. We have written in order b minus a. Sin b minus a we are multiplying and dividing because it does not have x 1 by sin b minus a. We have to remember there is no other option to do this one. The logic is we have to b minus a sin b minus a sin b minus a we have to multiply. When both are cos also you can take sin b minus a only. Then b minus a is replaced. Now what is b minus a actual value? X minus a minus of x minus b, then bracket closed. This is replaced by this value. Now sin b minus a integral. Sin b minus b formula. In bracket you can expand sin a cos b minus cos a sin b whole divided by sin x minus a sin x minus b. This also sin x minus a sin x minus b 1 by sin b minus a. Here we got cot x minus b. Here also cot x minus a dx. Now this value 1 by x b minus a is multiplied to first one. By sin b minus a integral cot x minus b dx minus 1 by sin b minus a integral cot x minus a dx. Now this is 1 by sin b minus a into integral cot log mod sin plus minus 1 by sin b minus a log mod sin x minus a plus c. If you are good at removing log, you can remove log also by taking common, or you can leave it up to the mark. The rest of the question we can do in next class.